ಎಸ್ಎಸ್ಎಲ್ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ 4ನೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪಡೆದ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಬಾಲಭವನ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ ಸಂಚನಾಗೆ ಡಿಡಿಪಿಐಯಿಂದ ಸನ್ಮಾನ. ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಬಾಲಭವನ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಾಡ್ ಕಾರವಾರ ಎಸ್ಎಸ್ಎಲ್ಸಿ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 66 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದು 20 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್, 37 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಪ್ರಥಮ ಶ್ರೇಣಿ ಹಾಗೂ 6 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತೀರ್ಣರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಂಚನಾ ಅರುಣ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ 625 ಅಂಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 622 ಅಂಕ ಪಡೆದು ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ 4ನೇ ಸ್ಥಾನ, ತಾಲೂಕಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಡೆದರೆ, ನಿಮ್ರಾ ಶೇಖ್ 613 ಅಂಕ ಪಡೆದು ತಾಲೂಕಿಗೆ 6ನೇ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ನಾಯಕ್ 605 ಅಂಕ ಪಡೆದಿರುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂಕ ಪಡೆದ ಸಂಚನಾ, ನಿಮ್ರಾ, ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬುಧವಾರ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಬಾಲಭವನ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಹರೀಶ್ ಗಾಂವ್ಕರ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಶಾಲು ಓದಿಸಿ ಫಲತಾಂಬೂಲ ನೀಡಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಿ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸಿದರು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಲೂಕು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಶಾಂತೇಶ್ ನಾಯಕ್, ತಾಲೂಕು ನೋಡಲ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಗಾಂವ್ಕರ್, ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಶಿವಾನಂದ್ ಕಾಮತ್, ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ನಾಯಕ್, ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲ ಆರ್ ಗೋವಿಂದ್ ಪೈ, ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿ ಅಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ ಗೋವಿಂದಪ್ಪ, ಶಾಲಾ ಮುಖ್ಯಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕಿ ಸೀಮಾ ನಾಯ್ಕ್, ರೂಪಾ ಕೆ ನಾಯ್ಕ್, ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಶೆಣವೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು 10ನೇ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಡೆದಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಕುಮಟಾದವನು ಸಂಜಯ್ 623 ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾನೆ 625ರಲ್ಲಿ. ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಸಂಜನಾ 622 ಅಂಕ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರನ್ನೂ ಸಹ 622, 623 ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯನ್ನು ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕಾರಣೀಕರ್ತರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಇಲಾಖೆ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಸಂಚನಾ ಅವಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ವಿತ್ ಡಿಸೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅವಳು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಬಹಳ ವಿಶೇಷ. ನಾನು ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಅವಳು ನನ್ನ ಈ ನೋಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಡಿಸೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಈ ಡಿಸೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗಲೂ ಸಹ ಇಷ್ಟ ಒಂದು ಅಮೋಘವಾದ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಇಲಾಖೆ, ಇಡೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಅವಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹರ್. ಯೆಸ್.
Hello, I am Sanjana Arun. I study in Premier Balbhavan English Medium School. I have scored 622 out of 625 in my SSLC exams. First of all, I should thank my parents and my teachers who have motivated me and guided me in my studies. My teachers had helped me a lot in my studies, clearing my doubts. They were all very good, they were very dedicated. I used to study 6 to 7 hours every day, especially during the study holidays. And I believe understanding the concepts well will help you score good marks. School had provided me a very good environment for my studies. They took extra classes, special classes. They called me for special classes and they asked me whether I had any doubts and all. They cleared all my doubts and all. And then I have not taken any tuitions. My teachers taught us very well. There are even extracurricular activities in our school like speech competition, drawing competition, sports and others like keyboard playing, talent search. So that helped us to relax. My parents, my father's name is Arun Khush and my mother's name is Sini Arun. They helped me a lot. They helped me in studying. They guided me and they inspired me in studying.
Hello everyone, myself Nimra Sheikh. I scored 98% in my SLC exams and I am very grateful to be here today. I am here because of my parents and all my teachers. I really thank from the bottom of my heart. I did do so much effort for this and I am really proud of myself because I scored so much. I came to 6th standard to the school when this institution was very new and I didn't feel like this was a very new school to me because the teachers and the staff was very friendly and I really loved it very much. And always I had the aim that one day I shall make these people proud of myself. Then and I also got the inspiration from last year. Naganjali, she scored 100%. When I saw her in Karavali function, I was very happy. Even I felt that one day even I should make my parents proud. In the same way today, I'm very happy that I'm sitting like this, being respected by all the teachers and all, and I'm very happy for this thing. And I would like to thank my parents who supported me in each and every step, and I'm very happy for this. Thank you.
Myself, Prajwal Nayak, I've scored 97% in this SSLC exam. I'm really proud of myself, and I'm really helpful for my parents and my teachers who have helped me in scoring this much. My parents have always inspired me that I can do it, and I have done it, and I have made them proud, I feel so. And my teachers are also very proud of me. They have helped me a lot, especially Varsha ma'am and Pratap sir. They have believed in me when no one believed. They believed in me, especially Varsha ma'am and Pratap sir. Pratap sir used to come to my home because I was not so good in Kannada. I used to make spelling mistakes. He used to come to my home. He gave me some question papers to solve there. He used to sit with me until I solved, and he used to correct it there itself, and I scored 100 out of 100 in Kannada. And Varsha ma'am also, she has helped me a lot. She used to call me for the school sometimes during the study holidays. She used to give me papers, she used to make me solve, she used to correct there itself, and she used to say where I committed mistakes. And even I got some nice marks in science, but I have put it for revaluation due to some mistakes in the science marks. And I would really thank all the teachers. They have supported me very well to score this much, and they have believed in me that I can do. I was not that much in studies rather than in extracurricular activities. I have been more in extracurricular activities. I have participated in state level quiz. I have there in sports. I have participated in district level sports and all. I'm less in studies than extracurricular activities, but this hope so this lockdown was not there because I was not a studious boy and I was not a bookworm at all. So I did not study a lot during this lockdown. That gave me a backdrop, and I used to say like that if it was March I would have scored more because I've studied a lot there. But still I have done nice, I feel so, and I'm proud of myself. I've solved many papers, but I've been to the tuition. They also helped me to score. Their tutorials was very good. They used to pass me on the question papers to solve. They used to give me the in-text questions so that I can score good. And I would like to thank my parents also. They have brought me all the resources they could, and they have believed in me. They always motivated me, and they have always helped me to do this. And I would like to thank everyone who has supported me, especially my friends also. They have believed in me a lot. And thank you everyone. That's it.
Today is the great day for English medium Balbhavan school. See, first of all, on myself, on my own behalf and on behalf of Premier Education Society, I must congratulate all the 3 students who have secured highest marks in the SSLC exam.